Oh, yeah, he scraped right up against the railing there. His mirror fell off, I think. What the fridge? You're a moron. Kidding me. Right up there. Hopefully the camera caught it. There's a tow truck right there. And there's a Nissan right here.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Nope. Oh, you... It's not very safe transportation.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Nope. 2 for 2. Wait, what the? What are you doing? You gotta be kidding me. You're a douchebag. Just to turn 2 seconds later, you're an asshole. You're an asshole. Is he doing it? Yep. Of course. 2 in a row? And I'm only 5 above the speed limit, guys. It's already red. Feury Image Group, a family of solutions.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Should I read out the phone number on the back? There's no need to take a turn that wide. And what are you doing on the wrong side of the road on your phone? You gotta be kidding me. 2 of yous. Uh-oh. Missile left.
Ports. Now, to me, that you could call that interference. You could call it a cross-check. It's a late hit. It was
Went
a late
right
hit.
through sunshine, laundry, and linens.
The Hawks seemed to
You
break
done
up
messed
double
up,
over on
Aaron!
base. Weren't happy.
Really?
Hello everybody, my name is Brom Tady, and I'm the quarterback of the New England Patriots. Right now I have a lot of spare time on my hands because we lost in the playoffs. That was because our coach forgot to film the sideline of our opponent. But don't worry, he got plenty of film of the drivers that sucked at cleaning snow off their cars. After you get your kids on the school bus, make sure that school bus is clear of all snow and ice, otherwise this would happen.
Whoa, that's a big sheet of ice.
These icicles flying off of trucks are nothing compared to the defensive tackles that try to tackle me.
Oh.
Hey y'all, you got ice on your roof. They tend to fall off in one big slab when you're on the road. Why haven't you cleaned it off yet? Scraping ice off your car really strengthens up your throwing arm. Everyone should do it.
It snowed 2 days ago. Last time it snowed was 2 days ago.
Well, that's all the time that I have today. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna have to go beg my tight end to unretire to save my career. Bye-bye.
Oh, douchebag up the shoulder. 2 douchebags up the shoulder.
But they're getting off at the exit.
Yeah, well, my exit's coming up too. I don't use the shoulder. Nope. He did it anyways. I'll do that guy because he's right in front of the truck, which is a stupid thing to do. What? You gotta be kidding me. Really? RC Moore.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Nope. Parking spot.
You done messed up, Aaron!
He has O-turn on red. Any day now. Any day now. Red light runner. Red lights. And this guy does not know what lane he needs to be in. It's red. We'll turn on red. Yeah, 2 of them. Why are you playing with your twirly thing? Maybe it's not as bad as texting, I don't know. We're texting early. Sheesh. And it turned red. go now. You can go now. You don't care what the light says. It's been green for so long. Anyway.